CXA from Nanolive is a holotomographic microscope that's fully automated and allows researchers to interrogate living cells as never before. The secret of the device is the holotomographic way that the images are made. Rather than traditional microscopy, we're looking at an image from 360 degrees all the way around the image and then creating a hologram based on interference patterns between a reference beam of light that goes around the sample and an extremely low-powered beam of light that goes through the sample. The really important thing here to remember is that the amount of energy we put in is so much smaller than nearly any other microscope on the market. It means that cells aren't perturbed, and when you're looking at them, you're looking at them as healthy and happy as they are under the experimental conditions you've put them in. The new CXA differs from previous models in that it's a much higher throughput unit. This means that it's ideally suited for core facilities, multi-groups using the instrument, and also has a place in biotech and pharma where assaying a large number of samples in a short amount of time is extremely important.